Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elina and this channel is for you if you want to build online business, learn marketing from scratch or simply set a master mindset. And today's topic is business plan. So if it's something that is interesting to you, keep watching. So before we discuss your business planning, I would like you to answer to yourself 3 questions, and this will set your laser focus straight on your business plan and implementation. So first question for you is how you want this year to finish. And I know that this year was so challenging for so many of us, but I have clients who are saying that these challenges are giving them many new opportunities and finally this push to start something that they wanted for so long. My second question for you is what is stopping you from achieving your set goals? So you need to shift these limiting beliefs. And my last question to you is think what are your thoughts about having a lot of money? Maybe something is stopping you and you are thinking, okay, if I will have a lot of money, I will lose my friends, maybe someone, I don't know, maybe I'm not worth it. And you really have to think about it because this is something that maybe is or will stop you from having this luck, because even maybe without you acknowledging this, you are stopping yourself from growth. So yes, answer to yourself to these 3 questions and let's start to work on your business plan. So let's start to work on business plan, and we will begin with idea. And I want you to get clear on idea, and this is how we will do it. Take a piece of paper, of course, and map out quite a few different services or products that you would like to offer to the public. Why I'm asking you to outline few, and because this is how you will go in upscale your business at some point. Don't do it straight away because you have to have this step-by-step plan, but also why you want to outline quite a few options, because when we will move forward with our business plan, maybe you will shift your beliefs and you will think that something else is a bit different and better for you. So this is number 1, outline quite a few different ideas or services for public. Secondly, I would like you to think about skills, what you have in order to provide this business. So you already know if you have education, maybe you have experience, and you know what skills you have in order to provide it. So write that also down, so you have clarity on your skills to provide for people. And thirdly, I would also suggest you to think what skills you need to obtain or learn more, or maybe there is something that you don't understand quite yet, and you will know your negative side, like a drawback for starting the business, because we need to learn every single day something new, some new skill in order to master ourselves. And you have to know your both sides, positive, like your strength, and your weaknesses. And if you have weakness and you will know about it, you will always be trying to find the answer, improve it, and because it's about your reputation, it's about delivering good results and quality. So yes, think about your idea, map it out. So let's move to market. What is your market? In order to answer to this question, you need to know your client, and let's again discuss. First, you need to know your unicorn client. So age, gender, location, etc. Already we done that. You need to know who is your client, who you are speaking to. Secondly, you need to know what kind of transformation they are required. So you need to know how to transform your clients, what they need. And third thing that you need to answer to your question is how you can deliver this transformation for them. And when you will answer this question, you will understand what is your message for your clients. This is how your clients will hear you in this all noise in the market. So your message will be directed directly to this client. So if you know their pains, if you know how to solve their problems, you know how to speak to them. So when you know what transformation you can offer, you can create perfect message so the client can hear you and choose you. So let's move to next thing, which is branding. And you need to understand and you need to feel and answer to yourself a question in your business plan, what this branding means to you. Because when we discuss branding, you can go to my previous videos. Personal branding is your story. This is your reputation. This is the message that you want to pass to your clients. Think about the website. Think how your website will be speaking to your clients. Think about which platforms you will be choosing based on your client avatar. So these are so precise things that needs to be thought of. And personal branding, this is like first impression, what you will be leaving on your customers. And when someone is doing rebranding, it's quite difficult to do because people are so used to current like branding situation. And rebranding is like, it's like a preparation stage. And this is why I'm highly suggest you to think about your branding. What is your voice? What is your message? How you want your clients to feel? What message you are giving out to people? Like, are you educating them? Are you just all about sales? Are you giving value? So branding, it's all that included, and you need to be really serious and careful about branding, because brand is you, that's your voice, and that is your reputation. Let's talk marketing. Marketing is a huge topic to discuss, so I would like you to think about the following topics for your business plan. So first thing is your website. Your website will be information-based or it's e-commerce. So that is these are completely different platforms that you will be needing to create. About advertising, if it's free advertising or it's paid advertising, where you will be speaking to your clients, like what platforms you will be choosing, if it's only social media, if it's maybe radio, maybe it's a leaflet, how you will be speaking and attracting your clients to your service or business. Then think about your lead generations, like how you will generate your leads, how you will nourish them, how you will build these client relationships online. And also you need to know where you will be putting out your tribe magnet. So remember what it is, we discussed that. That is your perfect message, this is your perfect offer to your avatar client. You need to know all these things. You need to nourish your relationship with the client. And most importantly, when you do all these things, analyze. See the numbers. Don't be afraid of them. You need to see statistics. You need to experiment a lot at the beginning, even the posting time. You need to know like if the clients are hearing your message. If you're like, let's say you are writing blogs, are like how many people are coming in and actually are spending time on reading your blog. So that means you will be analyzing if the content is good, if they are valuing your content, and if you are doing everything well and in correct way. So that will show you if you are attracting your clients. So if you will attract your clients avatar, you know that they will be coming to your website and they will be interested in your service or product. So yes, do all these things and really sketch out everything for your business plan. Let's talk tech. And I know that it's something like technical things are not fun, but you really need to consider your domain. You need to know which platform you will be using for your website. You need to know your membership site. So if you will have membership, where you will be keeping all your content. You need to know which paying platforms you will be using. You need to know your host. So many things, like even email provider. which you'll be using, because you know the Gmail is not very professional, but if it's something that you need to begin with, it's okay. But just think about all these technical things also. Let's talk sales. You need to know your numbers. So first, you need to know your return of investment. You need to know how you will be speaking to your clients, how your clients can get back to you. You need to put an admin for your contracts, because that is quite important. Because let's say you have membership sites and you will, like, if it's like a contract based, like you are giving some discount and the person is, you are tying the person to 6 months contract, well, you need to have this contract, so you will need admin to run this. If not, you can actually do this yourself, but still, you need to get clear on all these things. You need to know, you need to understand how you will convert your leads into paying clients, like what channels you will be using. So if it's a webinar, if it's like, I don't know, free online course, how you will convert your followers into paying clients. That is also very important. You need to have this roadmap. So I think that I also discussed this with you like previously. So you need to know what is working, what is not working. Like if you are investing in some kind of advertising, analyze, look at the numbers, see how many people are coming back, see the bounce rates. That is now maybe for you like something difficult to understand, but once you will start, once you will see your website running, if it's only social media, you will see client feedback, and this is how you will understand where you are going right, what is working for your business and for you, and what is not so well, and where you need to improve. Don't be scared of numbers. You always need to be ready to improve, because and this is my next video that I'll be making, is like successful interpreters, what they do, they are very flexible to adjust to new market trends. So be flexible, adjust, be fast learner. That is so important. Be like ahead of your yesterday's yourself always. So learn, and this is the road that you will be taking now. Learn. This is like a learning process. When I had my first business, I remember that. Now comparing what I know now, I'm like, oh my god, I've done so many things wrong, but that is my learning process. Even what I knew like 6 months ago and what I know now, it's like, oh my god, really? It's like now I see information that other coaches are giving out. I'm like, that is a kindergarten. But I know that for many people it's like, it's nothing understandable. Like I understand that. So yes, map everything out. Be clear on your idea, vision, your market, your message, your location, everything. You have to have this clarity. You have to have this business plan, roadmap, and most importantly, after you scheduled everything, after you planned everything out, implement. Just do it. Just start doing it. Many people are not really thinking that they are capable to create a business. And I was watching one YouTube video when a 19-year-old girl, she was starting her first businesses at 16, and she was failing like so many times, but she was like saying like, okay, this is what I learned. And you know what I'm thinking? Really try to do, because every single like your fail, it's a learning process. Because when you make your mistakes, you won't do it again. So also my second thing is, you know how I always think, if someone could do it, why can't I do it? So scale yourself up. This is the work with the mindset. Believe in yourself, know your worth, you know that you are capable. If you don't understand something, or you feel stuck on some subject, there is so much help out now. There are podcasts, there are YouTubers, there are social media, these gurus who can always help. There are one-to-one free consultations, so many resources actually, but you know what I think, that not many people are actually capable of finding out information. This is laziness. It's just excuse. This is what I know. And yes, and my advice to you would be, and this was my thing before, treat your business like a business. Don't treat it like a hobby. So simply because you are starting it now, and you are maybe not earning money, maybe you don't have many followers, but treat it like a business, not a hobby. So you will have this responsibility at front of yourself and at front of your business, and you don't know which direction and how high you can actually grow. So good luck with that. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, and I hope this video was valuable. I hope that this business plan you will map out and you will have like a clarity and vision and direction where you need to be heading to. If you have some questions, please ask. You can write down a comment, you can book a free consultation with me, and we can go through your maybe idea, and we will think how we can turn your idea into online business. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye!